Hello internet! Today's video is a requested one. Someone in the comments wrote that they want to see a birthday card video. So here it is. I've divided this video into 3 categories. I will be showing you an easy birthday card, a medium birthday card which is quite simple also, and a hard one which requires some effort. So here it is an easy one. In this one, I'm just doodling with a black pen. I wrote happy birthday and at the lower side of the sheet, and then I have drawn just doodled some balloons, and then I'm gonna color them with sketch pens in shades of green. You can color them as the way you want it. To give it a little more effect, I used silver pen, just to pop them up and just to make it look a little more attractive, and that's how it looks. So here it is. They're simple, easy, if you don't want to make effort and if you are a busy person, a birthday card. The second one is a watercolor card. I actually used watercolor paper, cut it down to the size of the card, and did some watercolor flowers, some very random flowers like in wobbly shapes, wobbly circles, random petals. Just made a few bunches of flowers using a color scheme which is basically oranges, reds and yellows, and made some flowers. Covered the sheet and used some shades of brown to draw some leaves, and you could use any color scheme you want. I don't know, but it looks like a kind of autumn or fall theme. I never intended to do that. And then I wrote happy birthday in calligraphy using a simple black pen. I highlighted it, drop shadow actually, with a golden pen, so just to pop it up. I'm gonna tear off this happy birthday and then gonna paste it on the card. But before that, I'm gonna do some detailings in my floral pattern. I did the petals, showed them curves, drew some lines, just did some detailing on the flowers with a simple black pen. On the leaves, it looks very beautiful when it is completed, but it is not that hard to make. It's just simple, and you'll realize that it didn't take any much of an effort, but when it's completed it looks like that you have put in real effort in it. So that's the thing in this one. I really loved how it has turned out. This is personally my favorite, I guess. Also, to again pop this up a little, I again used a golden pen. Just drew some leaves and outlines the petals with a golden pen, and it looks so beautiful, believe me. Then I pasted the happy birthday, tear it. I thought that it would look much good tearing it than cutting it with a scissor. And here it is. It looks so pretty, and it didn't take that much effort. So the third one is a hard one. Like you need to put some effort in it. I used blue theme. You could use any theme you want. Colors can change according to your mood, according to your personality and the person you are giving. I used a paper dolly first, pasted in the center of a blue sheet, and that's what I intended. So this is a butterfly card. I'm gonna make a big butterfly out of a dark blue sheet, like a darker shade of blue. I'm cutting it with an X-Acto knife. Make sure that you use the knife very carefully. This is so sharp, really very sharp. While I was cutting this, I was praying to God that I don't cut my finger. So I cut out all the design of the butterfly using this, but you know, it does a very good job, really good job. I cut out the pattern which I drew, and though it took time, but it looks so pretty when it's completed, so pretty. Yeah, I'm cutting the outline of the butterfly, and then you're gonna see the magic. Have a look at the butterfly. Then I've cut out a little, you know, tag kind of thing in which I'm gonna write happy birthday using my silver pen. I pasted a white sheet on the blue one, and I'm gonna write happy birthday with a silver pen. It is not quietly seen in the camera, but it looks pretty. I pasted the butterfly and a ribbon, of course. A ribbon really completes the look of a birthday card. I really like, you know, tying a ribbon to a birthday card. A blue ribbon to this one, and I'm gonna paste this one to my main cardstock. And here is our third card, again very pretty one. So this was all. I hope you liked this video. I showed you basically 3 cards. According to the amount of effort you want to put and the amount of time you have, you can make any of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday. Till then, bye bye.